Hello, I'm Michael Rohal with Rose Electronics, and today we're featuring the CrystalView Exec. This is a KVM extender. It is DisplayPort 1.2 with USB 3.1, 2.0, and 1 compatible. It's 3.1 Gen 1 with speeds of 5 gigabits per second. This is all aggregated onto a single CATX 6 or 7 cable, and this goes to a distance up to 100 meters, so 330 feet, and it displays up to at 4K 60. Here we have a display with seamless, beautiful, buttery smooth video, and this product is available. And for more information, go to our website, rose.com.